Good day everyone. So this is our preparation in the activity, which is the brainstorming benefits and challenges of integrating technology in teaching and learning. So in our modern era, it's important to incorporate technology in the classroom. Especially both teachers and students kasi maaari nilang ma-enjoy yung wide range of advantages of technology. And it is possible for teachers to promote and improve student learning through the use of computer technology in the classroom. So, here are the benefits of integrating technology in teaching and learning. So, the first one is the quick access to information. So, pag sinabi natin quick access to information is napapadali ang paggamit natin sa pagkuha ng mga impormasyon gamit ang mga Google sites, websites na maaaring makatulong sa atin. So, quick access to information is one of the greatest advantages and benefits of technology because it demonstrates the great thirst for knowledge and which can be satisfied using smartphones that are able to access the internet from anywhere. So, example na to is ang mga estudyante is may mga activities sila na kailangan ng mga sources or information regarding to their activities. So, kailangan lang gumamit ng internet in order to know the kung ano nga ba yung mga nakapaloob dito.
The second benefits of integrating technology in teaching and learning. Increase productivity and efficiency. Modern technology boosts productivity as well as the efficiency of learning activities as it allows educators and students to perform in the less time. So, increase employee productivity. Technology also improves workplace productivity by simplifying time-consuming tasks. For example, the use of document management software replaces tasks such as manual file retrieval, data entry, and filing.
So, the last part is facilitated learning. In case the access of online learning, students are more imaginative and creative. So, for example, is through online learning, nagkakaroon pa rin ng integration of technology through the use of online platform like Google Classroom, Google Meet, Zoom, or any educational tools na nakakatulong para magkaroon pa rin ng communication in learning.
The last challenge is the addiction in using technology. Addiction of young people are at risk of getting hooked on their mobiles. That is why it's vital to use technology properly in order to fully enjoy all of its advantages. Some of example of this in addiction is playing mobile games, online games. Kumbaga, mas nagiging addict sila gumamit ng technology nang dahil sa gadgets, and ito nga yung 21st century technology. Example nito, pinaka-example nito is the Mobile Legends, Call of Duty, mga social medias. Kumbaga, risk sila sa mga ganitong bagay. Sila yung may pinaka-vulnerable vulnerable risk when it comes in technology.
There are the challenges of integrating technology in teaching and learning. The second is misusing technology. Some students attempting to misuse it largely for entertainment purposes instead of educational ones. So, for example is may mga student na ginagamit ang technology para mambuli, especially sa social media, or ginagamit sa mga entertainment na nakakapekto sa iba pa.
The last challenges of integrating the technology in teaching and learning is the unstable network connection. It is the challenges to us, especially in our study, because it affects us. Like for example, when the time we are facing online classes, we need to go and punta tayo sa bundok para makapag-attend ng online classes. But pag maulan naman is we couldn't make online classes because ang signal po is mahina.